'n betoging in die moederstad deur die Suid-Afrikaanse Munisipale Werkersunie het verlede jaar tot sporadiese voorvalle van geweld en plundering gelei, veral gemik op stalletjie-eienaars. Minstens 25.000 Kusatu-lede gaan op Woensdag die 7de Maart die strate van Kaapstad invaar om teen onder meer tolhekke en arbeidsmakelaars te betoog. En daar is vrese dat hierdie betoging soortgelyke probleme sal inhou. Ons het met Kaapenaars hieroor gaan gesels.
Ek staan maar net om my stal staan, my vrou en my kind en my handlangertjie. Dan is maar net probeer om ons te save nou.
En was jy enigstens geraak laas jaar? Was jy enigstens geraak laas jaar?
Nee.
Maar ek ken van die mense wat...
Ja, daar was mense wat baie seer gekry het.
And last year I was in the business, and what happened is that those people, when they were coming around here, they were acting as if they are not striking for their rights, but they are coming as if they want to attack us. Especially when they had you as a foreigner, they think as if you are the part of those who are intimidating them. So whenever they come and do their stuff, they will steal. If you try to defend yourself, they will kick you.
So you're going to open tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I don't think so.
But are you scared somehow?
Yeah, for life.
And what happened last year?
Last year they come and it was too late for us to close and they take some stuff.
Ons het nie 'n probleem met die strykie. 'n Stryk is iets goed vir die mense, hulle weet vir wat hulle stryk. Maar die stryk, mense moet net besop. Die boewe, die skelms. Hulle lyk sulke dinge die stryks, dan is hulle in between. Dan is dit nie die mense wat vir die regte ding strykie, dan is dit die boewe wat die kanse vat. Daar's 'n stryk, is geluk. Dan maak hulle alles te mekaar.
So what are you going to do? Are you going to be open tomorrow?
I will not open because I can't take that risk.
Môre, ons huis pyp en ons hande want hulle is bang vir water.
Ja.